This move-in ready, Craftsman-Style home is located in a quiet, sought-after neighborhood. Living here, you'll enjoy excellent Salmon Creek schools, and it's close to city amenities, the hospital, freeways, parks, WSU, and shopping. The covered front porch invites you inside. Discover a light and bright interior with high ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and a thoughtfully designed open floor plan. The cook's kitchen features beautiful granite countertops, stainless appliances, an island, gas range, and a pantry. Gracious living spaces make it easy to entertain with multiple options for gatherings. Double doors open to the light-filled main level office. On the upper level, unwind in the spacious primary suite, your own peaceful retreat. And start your day in the well-appointed bath with a dual-sink vanity, soaking tub, and a large shower, plus a walk-in closet. This home of more than 3,100 square feet has 3 more bedrooms and another full bath on this upper level. A vaulted bonus room is ready for movie or game night. The laundry room is also conveniently located. The fully fenced backyard offers a quiet, private setting. The 3-car garage includes room for storage. Come see the style and functionality of this beautiful custom home. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.